This channel is for people that work their ATV, whether it's plowing, hauling, or getting things done. I run this Honda Foreman year-round. Snow, mud, real conditions, no showroom talk. You'll see real-world testing, simple setup upgrades, efficiency improvements, and the mistakes that cost time and money. If you use your ATV for real life, which includes plowing, trail riding, and doing work around your property, then you're in the right place.